with the Supreme Court asking the NTA to declare the results of all the NEET candidates who have appeared in the NEET UG examination by Saturday 12 noon. We are being joined by advocate on record, Sumit Kumar Singh, who will tell us more on why the declaration of the result is important. So, what is how do you think that the results are being important?
If the NTA will publish the entire result of all the students, then the students as well as coaching centers and independent agencies can verify the inflation which has taken place in this NEET exam and can file the status report according to the result.
So what do you think, what data you actually wanted to point out after this result is declared from NTA?
We want to detect red flags, which was pointed out by the Honorable Court on the last date of hearing from this result, that how many students came from far away places like in Godhra center. Students from Odisha, Karnataka, Chhattisgarh chose this center of Godhra. So these things can be detected from this result.
So a mention was also made by your advocate that the students have changed their language preference also. They have changed it to Gujarati. What do you say about that?
No, there was no argument with regard to language today.
And how about the Chief Justice of India's argument that the only 44 students are affected in the entire scam leak, if there is any?
44 students was in the 2015 judgment. In this paper leak, there is no 44 students involved.
No, but the Chief Justice was saying that 67 students got full marks and 44 students were the only ones who were affected.
The CBI report discussed during course of hearing today, number was more than 150. As pointed out by learned Solicitor General also, number was more than 150.
So one thing is clear, very clear, that the paper leak was there. The CBI, NTA and the center has admitted. They were saying that the video which was circulated on the Telegram was not the correct one. What do you say on that?
No, petitioners referred the video of handler Flame Blair, but government in response to that video gave reply to some Akash channel series video with the handler Need Broker, which was not our case. But in that video also there is somebody has altered the attachment. There is a feature in the Telegram that if we will change the attachment, time of original message, date and time of original message will not change, but attachment will be replaced. That is the case.
So what exactly are you hoping from the Supreme Court on Monday when the matter will be taken up again?
After today's hearing, we are very well convinced that after hearing and Honorable Court is also convinced that yes, there is a breach. But court wants to know that question paper leaked on 3rd or 5th. According to us, question paper leaked at Hazaribagh on 3rd and on Telegram on 4th. But CBI is stating, counsel for the CBI is stating that question paper were leaked in the morning of 5th itself.
So very clearly, the students advocate is clearly having high hopes from the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court is now scheduled to take up this matter on Monday at 10:30 a.m. With camera person Mridul from New Delhi, this is Kanu Sarda for India Today.